Well, we got our fine technology out and we're hooking up a GoPro to get some woodpeckers. Let's see how we do. Oh, we got our first customer. Now these are downy woodpeckers. You see that little red spot on his head there. That means he's a male, and if it's black, it means it's a female. Now he's looking all around for predators, make sure it's safe, and then, boom, he digs in. Let's check this handsome fella out in slow-mo. And a goldfinch came to visit. You can see a bunch of them on that bag in the background. They're all eating the thistle seeds there. Whoa, in flies Flick. Flick is my buddy. He's been here for like 10 years, and he's a red-bellied woodpecker. You'll see it in a little bit. You'll see him show his belly. He is a staple here in this environment. Let's just take a look at him for a while. He's beautiful. Hey, buddy. Bon appetit. About 10 years ago, Flick flew into the window and was comatose. And I got him back up and around and protected him before anybody could chew him up. He's been here ever since. The boy has an attitude, fights with the mourning doves, don't take any guff from anybody at the feeder. Oh, look, he's turning over now. You can see his belly. You see his red belly? He's a red-bellied woodpecker. All right, Flick, well, you take care. See if we can make it another 10 years. Bye-bye.